My name is Hristo Guentchev and I'm Managing Director of Prototyp and is a facade engineering office. BricsCAD covers all of 2D and almost all of the 3D tools you need. It combines features from almost all software packages that we use and it integrates them in one software product. It uses a very widespread data format. That's a DWG data format, which is de facto standard in, say, the industry. And in addition to that, you can, as we work in the construction industry, you're able to create BIM models, which is also something that we need more often and more often in our job. But what distinguishes BricsCAD is, of course, the sheet metal module, which is very helpful. Engineers are not determined by the tool they're using; they're determined by what they know. And in some cases, the 3D path is more productive, and in some cases, the 2D path is more productive. If you're an engineer used to working in 2D, it's much easier for you to start working in 3D with BricsCAD than with any other tool, because you just follow the same pattern. And this is one of the good things, that you keep everything in one format. We want to be convinced every year by our supplier why to buy the new one. It's a more equal partnership with the provider of such an important thing as your software. This is the reason why we like to have software that we really purchase.